Okay, so one of the next items we're looking at is from Sheer Descent. This item is so far unopened. We will be opening it here to take a look at it. Oops, sorry about that. Okay, so we can see that right now it's unopened. We will pull some staples out and open her up. Okay, so I've got the box open here. You can see, I don't know if you guys can see, but I can see down in there that it is most certainly a back feed waterfall and that there's an instruction booklet in there. So we have the instruction manual here. It says Sheer Descent, State of the Art Waterfalls, Specialty Waterfalls Installation Manual from Jandy. Okay, and just information about how to set it, what to do, and how to do it. So this is the waterfall itself. It is a rain arc waterfall, so these little nozzles here are going to be spraying the rain arc up. It will actually come above this level and out. So that will sit like that on some rock, and that will be coming up and out. The feed in is from the back. It is a inch and a half, and this one actually has a little rock protector in there. So I would advise putting a union on behind it so you could clean that if it ever got full. We'll take some measurements here. So it is 2 feet long. Uh, 7.5 worth of stone you'd need there, but then the extra protrudes out about another inch. And the depth of the whole thing, not that it matters much, there is about 3 inches.